And so, after the coldest winter, the great Indian summer has arrived. We all deserve a glass of Thandai. Thandai is a refreshing summer drink popular in India and is mandatory during festivals. Health benefits of this drink are limitless. Thandai is made using a number of nuts, spices, seeds, and even flower petals are used. I'm gonna be sharing two different recipes today. One is the shortcut instant Thandai powder mix, and the other one is the traditional recipe that my mom likes to use. We will make two different mixes. First, we will add 30 grams of fennel seeds, that is soft. To the same bowl, we will add 30 grams of poppy seeds and a handful of dry rose petals. Also adding our spices to this mixture, 10 to 15 black peppercorns and 2 cardamom pods, 1/8 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Now the reason that we are keeping this mixture separate is because we do not want to be chewing on these ingredients directly in our drink. We will make sure that there are no large pieces or bits left by sieving the blended powder. Let's mix rest of the ingredients in a separate bowl, adding 15 pieces of almonds, 5 pieces of cashew nuts, a handful of pistachio. Now you can always vary according to your taste. Add a handful of muskmelon seeds. I am using 30 grams. Add the mixture to your spice blender and blend it completely to a powder form. Beautiful. Now that our mixture is completely blended, let's transfer it to a sieve and check if there are any larger bits left so that we can blend it again and sieve it again. You might notice that your powder is sticking to the jar. That is because of the oil released by the seeds and nuts in the mixture. You do not have to worry. The ingredients are basically grinded to the finest form. You can totally use it in your mixture. It's time to blend our second mix. That is almonds, cashew, pistachio and muskmelon seeds. Now you remember we do not have to sieve this one because we are gonna enjoy the chunky bits of this one in our drink. Both our powdered mixes are ready. We can blend it all together and store it in a good glass jar. Remember, we can only store it for about 2 to 5 days. Now let me show you how to use this mixture to make the Thandai. Take 4 tablespoons of Thandai mixture, pour in 100 milliliters of milk or water as you please. Don't forget to add sweetener. I've already added mishri to my milk. Now give this a good whisk and set it aside for 30 minutes for the ingredients to soften up a bit. Meanwhile, take a pinch of saffron and soak it in 1 tablespoon warm water. This step is totally optional though. After 30 minutes of resting, you can pour the mixture into the jar. Add in any kind of milk of your choice. Almond milk would taste really good. Don't forget to add ice to your glasses before you pour in your drink. So 4 tablespoons of the instant mix will fetch us up to 2 glasses of Thandai. I'm garnishing my drink with 1/4 tablespoon of saffron liquid for a burst of flavor, some sliced almonds and pistachio, topping it with some dry rose petals as well. Isn't this beautiful? Let's enjoy the aesthetics of this drink before we drink it up. Now coming to our second recipe, that is traditional Thandai, we're gonna use my mom's recipe. In this recipe, she soaks all the ingredients together. I have, however, shown it separately to adjust the taste. Soaking all these ingredients overnight will help our body absorb all the nutrients out of these ingredients better. Starting with adding our 30 grams of rock sugar, that is mishri, which is now liquefied, a handful of dry rose petals, and our fennel seeds. I've strained the water because I like to minimize the flavor of sauce. Then go ahead, add your melon seeds. There goes in our poppy seeds as well. Adding 2 cardamom pods and 10 to 15 black peppercorns. Now close the lid, blend it all together to form a liquidy paste. You know the drill. We will sieve the paste now to remove all the chunky bits. I guess my blender did not do a good job this time. Preeti, are you listening? Now discard this chunky bit. Now you will get this thandai mixture. We are almost done. Trust me. Add in your almonds. I've taken 15 pieces and added a neutral milk. You can also use almond milk of your choice. Now pour in your thandai paste as well. You will see that we have used a lot of water in this recipe as compared to the last one. So you will see a difference in flavor and texture as well. Our super healthy immunity boosting and stomach filling drink is ready. This drink contains vitamin C, E, great antioxidants, can relieve menstrual pains. It is rich in potassium as well because of the melon seeds. It helps sharpen eyesight, keep your hair and nails healthy. I don't know, the list will go on and on.